Welcome. Hello, welcome in International Web Conference on Advanced Material Science and Nanotechnology. I am Ekta Singh Chauhan from Physics Department, stemming in Bottom University of Agriculture, Technology and Sciences, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I am here to present my work, Goblet-shaped defected ground slotted microstrip patch antenna. The antenna is a device which is used for the radiating and receiving the electromagnetic energy. It can be also used for the convert the electromagnetic energy into electric and magnetic energy. Microstrip patch antenna is a device which is used for the telecommunication services at microwave frequency. Microstrip patch antenna is a type of the antenna. This is the contents, introduction, structure of work, result and discussion, conclusion. Introduction. Defected ground structure is analyzed by initially etching of a normal shape slots or defect in the ground surface plane, which is called defect or fault. Defect Defected ground structure simply means by the word that some defects or fault can be introduced in the ground plane of the structure. Requirement of DGS. It is used for the size reduction, cross polarization reduction, mutual coupling reduction, antenna arrays. It is used for the improved performance, compact size, lower cost, and there are the different shape of the defected ground structures. Defected ground structure as rectangular shape, square shape, circular shape, L shapes, concentric ring, hexagonal, and the defected ground structure is two types: periodic or aperiodic defected configurations. Objective of my work to design and simulate study of goblet-shaped microstrip patch antenna with defected ground and slotted patch antenna for the multi-band application with the help of the high frequency simulation software. It is also used for the performance and another objective is the performance analysis of optimized microstrip patch antenna with directivity, gain, return loss, and VSWR. The simulation study of the fractal antenna. The proposed work is simulated with the substrate FR4 dielectric constant 4.4 and thickness 1.5 mm at the operating frequency 2.2 GHz with the help of the high frequency simulation software. In the present work, the rectangular shape of the defect is introduced on the ground plane of the structure, and the rectangular shape of the slot, it has been cut on the patch of the antenna to improve the performance and enhancing the return loss of the structure. This is the structure of the proposed antenna. There is the goblet shape of the microstrip patch, and there is a square shape of the slot. There is a square shape of the defected ground, which produce the defect or fault on the ground plane of the structure. This is the general specification of the defect of the proposed work. There is the material FR4 substrate, the dimension of the ground, dimension of the substrate, dimension of the patch, dimension of the feed. By the work, result has got that the antenna parameter, return loss, gain, directivity, voltage standing wave ratio. The defected ground plays very important role for the microstrip patch antenna because there is a frequency sensitive antenna which is used for the multiple frequency applications. With the help of the defected ground structure, the effective inductance and capacitance can be increased. The return loss, gain, bandwidth ensure the better result as compared to the non-disjoint structure. The return loss, this is the curve of the return loss at 12.85 GHz. The return loss is minus 26.86. The return loss always should be less than minus 10 dB. The gain at 12.85 GHz, the gain is 0.736, which is useful for the antenna. The directivity at 12.85 GHz, the directivity is 4.56 dB. Voltage standing wave ratio, it is the amount of the transmitting receiving electromagnetic wave of an antenna over a particular band of frequency. The VSWR at 12.85 GHz, it is 0.778. It should be very minimum, and the voltage standing wave ratio is always less than 2. There is the radiation pattern. The radiation pattern is the directional variation in intensity of the radiation from the source. I conclude my work with the that the DGS defected ground structure has the significance for the good directivity and the return loss and enhancing the performance of the design structures. And the structure is operating at 12.85 GHz, that is the KU band. The impedance of this slotted DGS antenna is around 34.68 ohm and actual ratio is 1.4. This presented antenna is supporting for different KU band application, for example satellite communication, microwave towers, radio astronomy services, mobile services, etc. These are the some of the references which I have used for my proposed work.